Now that COVID-19 has hit the nation, we see that there has been a lot of transition. Owing to the classes also, we've seen that there's been a transition from the offline classes to online classes.
Our generation is really privileged to be in this era of digitalization.
Online learning comes with its own set of challenges and opportunities. So there are several advantages and disadvantages.
If we were to talk about one of the pros of online classes, the students and the teachers aren't tied down to a fixed schedule, and the timings of the classes can be set as per the convenience of both the students and the teachers.
A major advantage of online classes is the flexibility that it provides to us students to study at the comfort from our homes.
That online classes has made sure that our academics don't get hampered at all. When it comes to the question of completion of the syllabus or the course curriculum, online classes has made it way lot easier for the teachers and the students to interact with each other.
Online classes help students with the facility of self-paced learning. It is more interesting than the usual traditional classroom teaching because students have the greater flexibility of choosing the best time suited to them because the videos are preloaded at times.
That we are in a very relaxed atmosphere to study, that is in our own home. Also, there's always flexible time management in online classes.
Access to expertise, so you can reach out to various professors across the world which are experts in different fields.
But then we try to have a self-discipline to our own self. Like usually when you're in the class, you have a fear of the teacher and then you try to, discipline yourself and try to be focused. But here it's again a test of your self-discipline, how focused you can be and how concentrated you are towards your career and towards your study.
The advantage of online class would be that the timeline won't suffer and studies can start as usual and fast.
And apart from that, like along with your regular college work and coursework, you can also do some interesting online courses which you might have not been able to do while you were in college.
Sheer amount of flexibility in terms of time and mobility that it brings.
If we were to talk about one of the cons of online classes, due to the limited time slot, the online classes are not conducive for the subjects which require elaborative teaching and the subjects which require greater student involvement and participation.
I believe that the classroom ambience involves a lot of discussion, a lot of debates, disagreements and dialogue, which is somewhat lacking in online platform. Apart from that, subjects such as engineering, pharmacy, agriculture, architecture, to mention a few, it has a lot to do with practical work and laboratory work, which I believe is not readily adaptable to the online platform.
Inaccessibility of laptops, smartphones and internet connectivity in a lot of geographical locations. Like some of the children in rural and tribal areas might not have internet connectivity or these resources to attend online classes, and if they are below 14 years of age, then it's clear violation of right to education.
It has also denied us the one-to-one interactions and the classroom discussions which we used to have with our teachers, and also the social interactions with our friends.
And the major disadvantage of online classes is that the classroom interaction is very low because a lot can be learned inside the classrooms from your classmates and the teacher.
I would say the environment. I mean the lack of proper environment when you're in the class. You see people around you, you get to know their perspectives, you get to see how competitive they are, you get to see what they are thinking, what they really want to learn, and you get inspired by that.
There's a requirement of intense self-discipline to pay attention in online classes. There's always distractions. There's hardly any face-to-face interaction, and doubt clearing also becomes a very difficult subject.
Students tend to cheat because it is not possible to monitor them all the time. Also, they fear to ask questions because of the feeling of getting stupid.
You miss the classroom environment. So even though you have great ideas, there is often a problem with class participation and bringing the ideas out to the professors and your colleagues and having a proper discussion about it.
And one disadvantage which I feel is the connectivity issues in the remote areas. So if you are from one of them, you may face disruptions while you are attending the class online.
Face-to-face interaction and clearance of doubt gets minimized.
For example, if I have to attend a lab class and if I have to attend a project on photometer, so I won't be getting hands-on information about that, and that can only happen if you go to the college, if you go to the school. So that is something that you will be entirely missing if you have online classes.
The providers of education don't really provide the means to facilitate education. For example, the customized tabs or the intranet or the internet that is necessary for the kids to learn.
नमस्कार, मु पूजा। मोर विश्वास आपन को ए वीडियोटी भल लागिथिबो। हमकु लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करबा को भूलंतुनी। लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाई देखुथांतु ओटीवी।